जाता पंढरीशी सुख वाटे जीवा
Wonderful.
जाता पंढरी.
Superb. What a marvelous song. Who is singing? No doubt. It is Tansen. Hey, anybody there? Order Tansen to come in front of me. Tansen, your voice is so sweet. I enjoyed this song very well. Please sing the song again.
जाता पंढरीशी सुख वाटे जीवा जाता पंढरीशी सुख वाटे जीवा जाता पंढरीशी सुख वाटे जीवा जीवा जाता.
Oh, I enjoyed it very well. Really, I like Rag Darbari very much. Number of songs have been composed in this raga. Tansen, I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world.
Your Majesty, I know you can enjoy music well. Your valuable words inspire me a lot. But there is someone who sings far better than me.
Oh, another one can sing better than you. I can't believe it. I would like to invite him to my court. I am very eager to hear his song. I want to see him. So make arrangement to bring him here. Emperor Akbar invites him to this court.
But Your Majesty, I am afraid he will not come and sing in front of you.
Tell me, Tansen, what's the matter?
Sir, I think even if you order to come, he will not be ready.
Oh, take it easy, Tansen. Be cool. You look scared. If he doesn't come, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him? May I know where does he live?
Sir, it is very far away from here.
Anyhow, I have decided to visit him. Make arrangement for it.
Sir, but I want to inform an important thing. Please don't try to go there as the Emperor of Hindustan. I request you to change your dress.
Tansen, I can understand. I can change my appearance as a humble music lover. Hi, Tansen. Tell me, how is my appearance now? Have I completely changed?
Sir, now you look like a music lover.
Yes. Let us start.
Okay, sir.
Tansen, you haven't said it. Really, who we are going to visit? What is the relationship between you and that person?
Sir, the person we are going to visit is my music teacher, my guru, great musician Haridas.
Oh, your music teacher. So I can guess his depth in music. You have practiced music from a person like Haridas. You are so lucky, Tansen. I know him very well. So really, I admire him.
Sir, we are nearing. Can you see a small hut there? That is his house.
Such a great person like Haridas living in this poor situation.
Sir, he is a simple person. He doesn't like luxurious life.
Hi, welcome. Hi, Tansen. How long since we met? May I know who is this person?
Masterji, he is a music lover. His name is Akbar. Actually, we have come here to listen to your music. Could you sing a song for us?
Tansen, you know, I am very aged. Make your friend understand that. Otherwise, he may feel bad.
Please, Guruji, please. We are coming from far away to hear your music.
No, I have told you. I am long past the age of singing. My voice has lost its sweetness. I am not confident.
Masterji, could I sing a song in front of you?
Why not? You are my favorite disciple. How long since I heard your melodious voice? Take that tamburu.
जो भजे हरि को
Danson, what you have done? You are mistaken. That's not the correct note. Sing it again.
जो भजे हरि को
You have repeated the same mistake. I never expected this from you. What happened to you? Akbar, I don't know what happened to Tansen. Really, he is very talented.
Guruji, I too know him well, but I don't know what happened to him today.
Give me the tamburu. You both listen to me.
जो भजे हरि को जो भजे हरि को सदा भजे हरि को सदा जो भजे हरि को सदा सोही परम पद पावेगा सोही परम पद पावेगा सोही परम पद पावेगा जो भजे हरि को सदा भजे हरि को सदा जो भजे हरि को सदा सोई परम पद पावेगा सोई परम पद पावेगा जो भजे हरि को सदा जो भजे हरि जो भजे हरि को सदा सोई परम पद पावेगा सोई परम पद पावेगा सोई परम पद
Guruji, what a majestic performance. Really, we were hypnotized. Excellent, Guruji. Excellent.
Tansen, I have no words to say.
I could enjoy the divine voice. It filled my mind. Amazing, amazing. Why can't you sing like him, Tansen? Your Majesty, he is highly talented. He has been practicing music for many years. His music springs from the depth of his soul, free and unasked. He doesn't want to become famous. He has no intention to show it. It was never for money. Tansen, really, I am so happy. I can't remember this day in my life. It will be a remarkable day forever.
जो भले जो भजन हरि का सदा सोई